Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever looked at your Power BI reports on your phone and thought, wow, this is a mess, you're definitely not alone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a brand new mobile layout view in Power BI so your reports look clean and professional, even on the smallest screens. By the end of this video, you'll know how to design a mobile-friendly report that your viewers will actually enjoy using. And you'll understand all the little tricks to make your visuals stand out no matter what device they're on. Let's jump right in and get your report looking sharp everywhere. First things first, we want to build out the foundation of our report on the main or desktop layout. Start by adding a few visuals to your main report page. For this example, I'm going to insert 3. A card visual that shows total sales, a bar chart that breaks down sales amount by product, and a line chart that tracks sales amount over date. You don't have to stick with these exactly, but they're perfect for illustrating the flow. Drag these visuals onto your canvas, taking your time to arrange them neatly. You want them organized in a way that makes sense for your analysis. Think of it as setting the stage before the big mobile transformation. This step matters because how you set up these visuals now will affect what you see later in the mobile layout. Now with your visuals in place, let's move to the mobile layout. In the Power BI toolbar, click on View and then select Mobile Layout. You'll notice the screen shifts to a tall, portrait-style canvas, just like holding up a phone. On the right, there's a panel listing all the visuals you've already created for your desktop report. This list is your mobile toolbox, and you get to choose which ones you want to feature and exactly how they'll appear on a phone. Here comes the creative part, adding your visuals to the mobile layout. Take each visual from that list on the right and drag it onto your mobile canvas. Don't rush, this is where you get to think about the order and the experience your viewers will have. For example, you might want to put the card with total sales right at the top, acting like a quick summary. Then stack the bar chart showing product sales in the middle, so it's easy to see the breakdown, and finally, add the line chart at the bottom to tell the story of sales over time. Remember, mobile screens are a lot smaller than desktops, so take your time to resize and rearrange each visual. Make sure everything's easy to read without endless scrolling or awkward zooming. And don't worry, whatever you do here won't affect your main desktop page. The two layouts are completely independent, so you can really fine-tune the mobile experience. Once everything looks good, let's preview your work. Still in the View tab, choose Phone Layout to get a sense of how things will actually look on a real device. If you've got the Power BI mobile app handy, take it a step further and view the report right on your phone. That's the best way to spot any issues with clarity or navigation. Sometimes things just look different when you're not at your desk, so this extra check is well worth the effort. A couple of important things to remember as you wrap up. Creating a mobile layout doesn't make a whole new report or separate version, you're simply optimizing your current report for phones. You can rearrange, resize, or even hide visuals specifically for mobile, letting you highlight what matters most. Always prioritize your key visuals because mobile screens have limited space. Think about what your audience needs to see immediately and what can be revealed with a scroll. Simplicity really is your best friend here, and that's it, you've just unlocked the power of mobile layouts in Power BI. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own mobile layout tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.